Today we will discuss what is angle. An angle is formed when two straight lines or rays meet at a point, end point. Mean when two rays or two lines meet at a point, or when two lines having common point is called an angle. The common point of contact is called the vertex of an angle. Mean when two lines meet at a point is called vertex of an angle. The word angle comes from a Latin word named angulus, meaning corner. These are the examples of an angle. This is angle, this is angle, this is angle, this is angle, this is angle. These are the shapes of any angles. Angle. In geometry, an angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. An angle is represented by the symbol angle. This is the symbol of an angle. Angles are measured in degrees. This is the symbol of degree. Using a protractor, for example, 45 degree is presented as 45 degree. This is the 45 degree angle. Mean one ray, this one ray is OA ray and OB ray. When two rays meet at a point, this is the common point of two rays, we get an angle 45 degree.